This is my favorite time of the night, when everything starts to glow. I just love it out here. And I'll show you some mountain views in a minute. But in this video, I am going to be making this bouquet that I'm working on right now. So let's come along and I'll show you. There's my mountains. Let's get closer. It's really dry right now. And this bed over here is really fun too. It's getting better and better. See those gorgeous mountains. This arrangement's for me. I'm just practicing more. I keep telling my husband, you don't need to buy me flowers. I'll do it myself, but you can buy me plants. Hi, I'm Jane. I am going to put together an arrangement from flowers in my own yard, and it's so exciting to me. So this was the inspiration flower, and it's starting to already lose some of its awesomeness, but this is Stylish Twilight Girl. And if you come in close, you can see all these beautiful colors. This is what I wanted to go off of with the whole arrangement that I'm doing. So some of this might be with music, some of it might be talking, but here we go. So this is kind of losing its petals. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to just take off the petals, and that is going to make a pretty cool accent. I did not have yarrow a couple years ago, and I winter sowed all of them. So I have some whites, I have some pinks, and then I had a dark one. Did I lose my dark one? Oh, right here. Look at this color. I need so many more of that one. I want tons, and I want red too. So, and then I have two, look at these straw flowers. They're so cool. Come in close, because you gotta hear. Have you ever grown straw flowers? They're so cool. I fell in love with straw flowers a couple years ago too, and now I'm kind of obsessed with them. These were winter sown. A lot of the yarrow was winter sown. All right, back to this. We're gonna start filling in some yarrows around here. Okay, so I have 3 bouquets going so far. I need to break up this section here with some more maybe peach roses. Look at this spot. Isn't that just stunning? Oh, it's so fun. Wow, I could put another peach rose right there. The whole thing's about peach roses, huh? Wow, look at this section. So gorgeous. I mean, I could just break up some of this if they were long enough. That might work. Nah, I'm gonna go get more roses. Look at this section. Isn't that beautiful? I can't see this one. So pretty. Anyway, having a blast. That is so pretty. And then I decided this needed to be its own little bouquet, but I'm gonna go get some daisies because I think daisies will look prettier in that. And this and this needed to shine, and it was not working with it was not playing nice with others. All right, let's go around the yard. I love this time of night. Just love it. See my favorite rose right there? She just blooms her head off. And in my phone it's looking more pink. It's totally peach. Let's get in there closer. First, all these yarrows are falling over. Can you see the mountain view behind there? It's glowing right now. And daylilies are just heaven. They don't last in a bouquet, but they make their own bouquet out here. And all you have to do is clip off the dead ones. That one's opening. Clip off the dead ones. Okay. These were winter sown, aren't they gorgeous? All right, getting sidetracked. Okay, we're gonna climb through here, and I'm gonna show you some more roses. I'm getting stuck by another rose. Yeah, it's showing the color now. Oh, it's so gorgeous. Like this one right here, it shows more peach, and then it has a little more pink when it opens up. This is what it looks like when you need to deadhead. It's still pretty color though. And then they just push. They push blooms all the time. The only time they really lull is the beginning of July, but they go through July, the end of July and August. We're mid-July. So if they stop, it's only for a week or two, and then they're back to this everywhere. So I've been trying to root it. I've been trying to put some by the mother plant. So that'll be a different video, but I really hope it works. All right, let's cut some of these to add to. See, this is showing way pink in the camera. That is the color right there. Yeah, that's more like it. Anyway, let's cut some of these. So gorgeous. I love this rose. So I'm going to move things around a little bit more so you can see stuff. I'm really sad about the way this is looking. What I'm going to do with this piece of sedum is I'm going to give it more time to sit in the water. And I might add it tomorrow. All right, let's just play. Okay. Got some straw flowers. You guys see how cool those are? They are bolted carrots. So right there in my yard, let's go closer. See the bolted carrots? Aren't they awesome? And the asters are giant. They're taking over the whole yard. All right, let's get back to this. So this one's losing petals. So it's kind of cool. I could keep it that way, or take off the petals and use them in the arrangement. And if I'm getting closer, I can do it better. These ones have such dark stems. Okay, I'm gonna go find the last bits and pieces for this trio over there. So this color it just works with what I'm doing. So I might choose some of the valerian. I was looking at, so this section of yard, the valerian and the yarrow and the daisies are almost done. I need to cut those back. But look, we're about to get some red daylilies. Look, I want some daisies. These ones that are falling over, I might as well take. Let's add those to the white and yellow bouquet. Cafe au lait about to burst. That's exciting. And we got some cats in the background. Okay, these might be the last little bits. Feverfew is such a happy flower. I love it. Back to this. Much better. Let's go get white yarrow. I hope you enjoyed this video of me just playing with flowers in my front yard again. Bye.